Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to integrate the charts with React. So integrating charts is one of the most basic functionality we are seeing in many of our real-time applications like educational applications or reports applications, etc. So this is the demo for that. As you can see, this is the bar chart and this is the donut chart and this is the pie chart. So you can see here the days and these are the degrees, and you can see the name. We can display like this. So let us see how to write the code for this. So for this I have created an application called as React 1, and in this application we have source folder, and in this we have created components user and admin, and I am going to write our code in the user component. So if you see in the app.js, I have created the nav bar where once user clicks on products or user here, then it will be navigated to user component here. So if you don't know how to create this navbar in React.js, then you can go back to my channel and view that, or I will place the link in this description, so you can go back to my channel and view that. So now in the user.js we have to write our entire code. First, before that, we have to install some command. So this is the command for that: npm install react chart.js 2 and chart.js. So it will take some time for installing that, and we can wait until that gets installed in our project. So this package got successfully installed, and if you want to verify that, you can open package.json. So this package.json consists of all the dependencies, whatever packages we have installed, or whatever third-party libraries we have installed in our projects. So if you see here, you will be seeing some React charts. Yeah, in the 17th line, you will be able to see React chart 2 2.11.1 version. So this is the version when I am doing the video. So this version may change when you are watching this video. Next, we have to go to user.js, and here I am going to import whatever, like I'm using this bar chart, so I'm importing bar chart from React charges 2. Now in this I am going to use this bar chart. Now to this bar chart we have to send some data. For that I am going to place some code. Constant data equal to, so these are the labels whatever we want to show in the chart. And next one is data sets. So all should be in the small case, and data set is also an array. This array consists of two objects. One is label and another one is data, or it may consist of some other properties as well, like background color, like that. So this label we will show in the top, and next one is data. So this is the margins whatever we want to give, so how much it should be. If you are using bar chart, then that particular height. So if you are using this donut or pie charts, then it is like the length of the arc. So here it is the height. Now we will save this, and we have to give this to the data of bar charts. So once you run by using npm start, you will be able to see this bar chart here, and we can give colors by using background color. So this is the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.